Hey everybody, welcome back to Korea Explored. This episode we take you down to Busan to show you a hotel called the Commodore. As we drove up to the hotel, we were pretty much speechless. It's a really magnificent hotel. The exterior is a stunning example of Korean architecture. The attention to detail of the design of this hotel is really second to none. When you walk into the lobby, you feel thrown back in time and feel like you're really standing in a fortress. This is the bay out by Busan, and it was a really clear day when this was taken. But here you can see how close to the ocean the hotel is. This is the hotel right here, towering over everybody. It's just really in a beautiful spot. It's got the mountains in the background. Traffic driving here was insane. You have to go this crazy route and do a U-turn and a big loop to get back and drive down this road right here to be able to park in the parking lot here. But it was really a great adventure. As I started exploring the hotel, we came across this lantern chandelier, and man, the colors were just vibrant and brilliant. It was so awesome to look at, so I knew I had to get some special shots here. There was also these two hand-carved dragon banisters going down the staircase right here. This was really cool. The bottom one went out to one of the side entrances to the hotel, and they're intertwined here, their tails at the middle of the stairwell. This is the hotel room we stayed in for the night we were in Busan. It was really a nice room, nice oriental style furniture, and the colors inside the room were very calming. Another awesome thing was the sliding windows, the sliding shades on the windows here. It just opened up to a really beautiful view of Busan and the bay and the bridge. After we woke up, we went up to the 16th floor on a balcony to see the sun rise on Busan. Thanks for watching this episode of Korea Explored. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you missed our last episode, we go to Yeongju-dong Island to the Botanical Gardens there. Click on the link above to visit that video.